Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry minced meat with Thai basil seasoning powder. Hope you like it. Today's recipe is not authentic because I didn't buy the main ingredient, basil leaves. I wanted to eat it so much that I substituted celery leaves. I hope everyone understands. Ingredients: minced meat, chili, chopped garlic, seasoning powder, celery leaves. I will use chicken minced meat for this recipe. Wash and diced celery. In fact, stir-frying celery does make this dish not tasting like how it should be, but if you don't like the taste of basil leaves, celery is indeed a good choice. Add more chili if you love spicy taste, just adjust at your own preference. Just diced chilies. Stir-fry chilies until fragrant and release flavor. For those who are afraid of spicy food, you can fry the minced meat first and then add the chili peppers so that it won't be so spicy. Add chopped garlic. Add minced meat and stir-fry until cooked. Once cooked, minced meat will turn white. Add celery stem. Add seasoning powder. The ratio of meat and powder is 200 gm, 10 gm. Suggest to adjust the portion of seasoning powder to adjust per own preference.
Stir-fry evenly.
Add 2 tablespoons water. Add remaining celery leaves. Stir-fry for approximately 1 minute. Plate minced meat. Minced meat is cooked. It's so easy, right? Salt or soy sauce seasoning to adjust to tastes. This dish is really appetizing and goes well with rice. Every bite is full of happiness. So delicious! Add black soy sauce if you like your minced meat with darker brown color. I personally like the tastes of this seasoning powder, recommend to give it a try. This is not a business promotion, yeah. Of course, if the manufacturer wants me to promote me, I welcome too. Haha. This recipe is so easy to make and especially suitable to make during busy working days. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube, check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Basil fried minced meat is one of the 4 most popular menus that foreigners must order in Thailand. It is also the most ordered dish and currently ranks first in the world for stir-fried dishes. Traditional Thai basil fried pork side dishes include minced meat, seafood, basil leaves, onions, garlic and chili peppers, and are seasoned with soy sauce, sugar and fish sauce, and served with rice, fried eggs and fish sauce. Pad Krabao. The Thai name for this dish is Pad Krabao, and it is one of the simple dishes that most people love to eat. Basil is a flavorful, leafy green herb that originated in Asia and Africa. It's a member of the mint family, and many different varieties exist. Popular as a food seasoning, this aromatic herb is also used in teas and supplements which may provide a range of health benefits. Thai basil contains many vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and E, fiber, and antioxidants. Vitamin A is known to have antioxidant properties and is essential for vision. It also required for maintaining healthy mucosa and skin. Basil leaves are high in anti-inflammatory properties, such as linalool, which help to soothe irritated skin and reduce redness and swelling. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.